Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ramya. Today I am here with a new recipe called Dum Paneer Biryani and Cucumber Raita. Let's get into the procedure. In a cooker pan, let us marinate 1 tablespoon of dhania powder, half a teaspoon of jeera, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, garam masala 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1/4 tablespoon, green chilies 2, fried onions 1/4 cup, garlic paste 1 tablespoon, oil 3 to 4 tablespoons and ghee 1 tablespoon. For 2 cups of rice, I am taking 350 grams of paneer which is chopped into big cubes. Marinate it with half a tablespoon of ilachi powder, yogurt half a cup and mix everything together. Add 1 tablespoon salt, mint and dhania half a cup chopped, lemon juice half a lemon. If it is small, add 1 big lemon and mix everything well. Add 1 tablespoon kevda water. If you don't have kevda water, add rose water and marinate it for 10 to 15 minutes. In a pot, let's add water, 1 big stick of cinnamon, 2 big ilachis, 6 cloves, 1 teaspoon of shahi jeera, mint and dhania handful, green chilies 2, ilachi powder half a teaspoon, 2 bay leaves, oil 2 to 3 tablespoons and sufficient amount of salt. Let the water come to a boil. Add washed and soaked basmati rice 2 cups to the water and let it come to a boil. Now the rice looked cooked 70%. Take it aside and don't forget to take some water from this boiling water, at least 1 cup of it. Now let's layer the rice on top of the marinated paneer. In the first layer, as the first layer is done, sprinkle some fried onions, chopped mint and coriander leaves, water whatever we have taken from the boiling rice and spread it all over. Garam masala and again layer it with rice. Sprinkle some garam masala, fried onions, chopped dhania and mint leaves, kevda water or rose water and spread 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. Now we have to dum this biryani. For dum, I am using aluminum foil. Spread the aluminum foil and press it in the edges of the cooker and place the cooker lid. If it is too tight, take the gasket out of it and you can close as usual. If you are not using cooker, place a plate and put some heavy object on that plate so the steam will not escape. Let's cook this biryani on highest flame for 6 minutes and in the lowest flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Biryani is cooked let's take the foil and make sure to mix the rice upside down like this, as I'm showing here. It makes sure that masala is mixed well throughout the rice. And the best way to do that is use a fork. And doing like this will avoid breaking the rice. So our very aromatic dum paneer biryani is ready to serve. And I'm here showing you a quick raita. I have taken 1 cup of thick yogurt, smooth it out, add half a cup of grated cucumber to this and 1 finely chopped green chilli and salt to taste. Mix everything together. If you have some chaat masala, sprinkle some chaat masala over it. That enhances the taste of it. If you don't have chaat masala, that's fine. That's all. Our very simple cucumber raita is ready to serve. Always try to take some curd raitas whenever you serve biryanis, because raitas acts as coolants. So let's serve this paneer biryani with raita. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please try this recipe. Do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.